Hello, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's class. We are solving some questions from our mathematics optional paper, which is from UPSC 2024. Now, this is the question is given in our question paper. The question tells us discuss the continuity of the function of which is f(x) equals to 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by x, where x not equals to 0, and it will be 0 when x is equals to 0 for all values of x. Okay, we can easily see that the point of discontinuity will occur at x equals to 0. So we have to check the continuity at x equals to 0. Otherwise the function 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by x, it is a it is it is very easy to see that it is a continuous function in the given domain. So we have to check only at x equals to 0. Okay, now firstly we have to check this thing happens or not, which is limit extends to 0 fx equals to f of 0, which is given 0 in this question. So this requires evaluating this thing, which is limit extends to 0 1 by 1 minus e to the power 1 by 1 minus 1 by x. Okay, firstly we are analyzing it from our right side, which is limit x tends to 0 plus fx. Then we can easily see that as x tends to 0 plus, then our 1 by x will go to our infinity. So e to the power minus 1 by x will go to 0. Then our given function 1, then our this thing 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by x will go to 1, and this tells us 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus 1 by x, it will go to 1 as x tends to 0 plus. Now we are checking from this thing, limit x tends to 0 minus, or from the left side. So what we get? We get as x goes to this, our 1 by x will go where? Our 1 by x will also go to the same point. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There will also the same case happen, and the etc etc. So at limit x tends to 0 plus fx is our equal to 1, and limit x tends to 0 minus the fx is also 1, but we are trying to get this thing to make it continuous at the point of x equals to 0, but we can easily see that at from the right side limit is 1, and from the left side also the limit is 1. So this is kind of jump continuity at that point. So jump discontinuity at that point. So the function is not continuous at x equals to 0. At x equals to 0, the function is discontinuous. But in all other the points of the domain, the function is continuous. Okay. Hope you understood. Thank you.